Welcome all of you. Today we'll see the solution answer key for quiz 7 on mathematical formulation. It is having 10 numericals and we'll be seeing the solution of it also. Let's see the quiz number 1. A milkman's container contain half a milk, half a water. So initial percentage is 50-50%. Half a liquid is sold and it is filled with milk. So now milk and water were 1/4. Now when half a milk is poured in, milk became 3/4, water became 1/4. Likewise we keep note of everything and we'll try to incorporate the changes happening, and then resultant we get the proportion of the milk in the tank is 37.5%. See the second example. In a karwa, 40 hens, 35 goats, 5 camels, and some keepers are there. Now some keeper, we don't know how many keepers. We'll assume them as K keeper. You understand here, the goat and camel will have one head each and 4 feet, while hen and keeper will have 2 legs and 1 head, and correspondingly make the equation and we can get the answer. Next. 3 persons walking from A to B, their speeds are in ratio 3:5:7. So the time taken by them will be inversely proportional to this. So time taken by all of them will be proportional to 1/3 to 1/5 to 1/7, and we get the answer 70:42:30. The charges of the hired car, next example, are first 50 km 8 rupees, second 50 km 6 rupees per kilometer, and remaining 5 kilometers per hour per kilometer. Total distance is 390 km. So first 50 with a 8 rupees rate, second 50 with 6 rupees rate, and remaining 290 with 5 rupees rate. We make the bill of it, it is 1450, and left out money with his 1/5 of what is paid. So 1/5 of 1450 is left with him. So total will be 1450 plus 1/5 of this is the answer. Next. Difference between two numbers is 1414. When the larger number is divided by the smaller one, quotient is 8 and remainder is 14. We respectively assume the larger number to be A and smaller to be B, and a formula: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Fit into it, we get the answer. Next, a contractor undertakes to do a piece of work in 50 days. He engages 80 men at the beginning and 80 more after 30 days. That means first 30 days he is having 80 people on the work, and next 20 days he is having 80 plus 80, 160 people. So we calculate the speed or rate of doing the work by one man. And the question is, if only 80 would have been continued all the days, how many days he would have required? We get the answer 70 days. So delay will be of 20 days is the answer. One pipe can fill a tank 4 times faster as another pipe. So again assume L be the total liters capacity of the tank, and maybe the A is one pipe and B is the another pipe. A is faster and B will take 4 times the time than A. We simplify, we make the equations, and we get the answer 180. In what ratio water must be mixed with a milk costing 60 rupees per liter? So water here we are assuming 0 rupees per liter. Milk 60 rupees per liter. What proportion they should be mixed in, we don't know. So we assume that 8 liters of milk and B liters of water are the resultant mixture, and we get the answer. Next. Now this is the age problem. So we assume the current age of father and son as F and S. 5 years ago, F minus 5 and S minus 5, put the relation. And then 4 years hence, F plus 4 and S plus 4. Now this is the way we construct the thing, and we get the answer 45. Last example. 5 kgs of an alloy A contains 1/4 copper and naturally 3/4 zinc, and 8 kg of another alloy B contains 20% of copper, means 1/5 of copper, and remaining 4/5 zinc. the ratio of copper to zinc into the mixture of these two metal will be. Now when we try to club the things and try to find the ratio, definitely we get the ratio, because what we do, we take 5 kgs of alloy A and we take 8 kgs of alloy B, and the copper content in both of them we club together, the zinc content in both of them we club together, and we get the answer that okay, the copper to zinc ratio in the resultant alloy is 57 to 203, and thus we are able to solve it. And therefore you can look into all the 10 questions. What was the important thing? The concept or the mathematical theory and procedures were already taught to you and you are aware of it. The difference is, can we formulate the problem which is given in a descriptive form into the mathematical form and then solve by the conventional method. Formulation, once again I'll repeat, which I started with. That formulation part is basically judging your intelligence, and the solution part judges your procedure. So solution part is middle school mathematics, formulation part is high level, maybe undergraduate level or graduate level intelligence, and therefore most of the aptitude tests involves both of them. You will definitely get edge over others if you do lot of practice. The middle school mathematics procedure you can do faster and you can save the time, but thinking ability has to be better than others. So formulation is a crux of it. All the best to all of you. Thank you.